Hello, my name is Mopane Glenn. I am a student from the Vaal University of Technology, the current chairperson of Metallurgy. So we're really warmly welcome here at GammaTec today. And we really had such a nice experience to be and moving around this place. There is quite a lot that we actually have learned today, and we are very much grateful to experience all that.
Hi, my name is Nandipa Salimani, and I was one of the students chosen to come to GammaTec. What I found the most interesting was everything, actually. But my most favorite one was the metal penetration one that Phil did. He made it so interesting for me. I think it was very fun. And I'd like to thank GammaTec for offering me this opportunity.
Which probe will be the workhorse in the NDT industry for hardness testing?
Most popular. All right. Was that lady there with the beanie on? All right.
So thank you very much for being here today. Thank you for the mannerism you had here with us. Thank you for making it a pleasure to host you today. So thank you and good luck.